everyone, welcome to week 4 of your balance portion. All you're going to need for today's routine is your chair. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to start off just a little differently today. So what we're going to do is we're going to test our tandem stance action. Tandem stance, meaning your heel is right in line with your toe. So we're going to go ahead and start here just to see how we feel. Again, when we're talking about the chair, you have your level 1 stance, which is holding on with both hands, your level 2, hovering, and your level 3, holding on with one hand. So let's go ahead and hang out here for a little bit. Again, always focusing on our breathing and always focusing on our posture. We always want to make sure that we're mindful of both components. So from here, what we're going to do is we're going to take it into a slow walk. So in that tandem position, what I want you to do is hands out, and you're going to slowly walk, placing one foot directly in front of the other. One foot directly in front of the other. Let's take 2 more steps. Very nice. Go ahead and reset. Let's go one more time. Catch your breath. Take that deep breath in. Exhale. Very nice. Again, let's go right foot forward, left foot back. And we're going to gently walk, taking about 6 steps forward. Find that focal point. We're testing all of our balance right now. So find that focal point, breathe through your movement, keep that spine upright. Very nice, everyone. Good. Let's go ahead and test out our taps. So our taps, left hand holds the chair. We're going to work on our right foot. So holding onto the chair, bring your right foot forward. So what I'm doing here is I'm no longer going to have it touch the ground. I'm going to be hovering over the ground. So hover forward, hover side, hover back. Find that focal point. Again, hover forward, hover side, hover back. Very nice, everyone. Hover forward, hover side, hover back. Let's go 2 more. Forward, take your time, always holding on to that chair. Side, back. Last one here. Forward, side, back. Very nice. So when it comes to the foot placement, I like to think about the foot as a tripod. What that means, I want you to dig your toe, your pinky, and your heel into the ground, and that should help you maintain your balance. The reason why some falls or some wiggles tend to happen when we're balancing is because we lose tension in one of these points. So we lose the tension in the heel, the pinky, or the toe. So that's what usually tends to happen. So if you are mindfully thinking about digging your heel, your toe, and your pinky into the ground as you're balancing, that should help keep you balanced for as long as possible. Let's go ahead and switch your side. So now, right hand holds onto the chair. We're working on our left foot. So, holding onto the chair, chest up. Hover that left foot forward. Hover side. Hover back. Again, always holding on, working on our posture. Forward, side, back. Very nice. Forward, side, back. Good. Let's go 3 more times. Forward, side, back. 2 more. Forward, side, back. Last one here. Forward, side, back. Very nice, everyone. We're going to try out something different for today. So what we want to do is we're going to walk in a zigzag pattern. The way that's going to look is starting with my feet hip distance apart. With my right foot, I'm going to take a step sideways. With my left foot, I'm going to take a step sideways. So what I'm doing here is constantly moving in a diagonal pattern. So the way we get into the balance portion is I want you to hang in that position. So hold, 3, 2, 1, switch, 3, 2, 1, switch. It's okay to wobble. You just saw me do it. So in our position, step that right foot to the side. Hold for 3, 2, 1, left foot. Hold, 3, 2, 1, right foot. Hold, 3, 2, 1, last one. Hold, 3, 2, 1. Very nice. So we're gonna go through it one more time, but now I really want you to think about your foot being a tripod. So with this one, what tends to happen is when we fully submerge into that movement, when we are mindful about that movement, we see the changes. When our mind is elsewhere, that's where a lot of the wiggles come. And for me, the reason why I was wiggling is I'm explaining while doing some of the movements. So it's gonna be natural. So in this position, let's try to be mindful about the foot being a tripod. Step that right foot to the side. Hold. 3, 2, 1. Step the left. Hold. 3, 2, 1. Very nice. Hold. 3, 2, 1. Last one. 3, 2, 1. So now that you guys have completed this, do you feel a difference when you started actively thinking about your foot being a tripod? This is not something that you need to answer out loud. It's just something that I want you to think about for yourself. Again, when it comes to balance, you always want to be mindful about what you're doing. You always want to be thinking about that movement actively. So now let's go into a different stance. This is going to be our single leg stance. This is our final stance. It's what we were just focusing on. So left foot down, bring that right foot up. Hold onto the chair, please. Again, you're level 1, you're level 2, and you're level 3. So hold on to the chair. Find the intensity that you feel is right for you. We're going to hold here for 5, 4, 3, 2. Take it back. Tell me if you feel a difference. Do you feel that this is easier or harder than the first way? Again, just a couple things to think about. 5, 4, 3, 2, rest. Let's go ahead and switch. Now I'm doing level 3 just so you can see my form. So I'm going right hand on the chair. We're focusing on the left leg. So bring that left leg up. Hold here for 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good, everyone. Take it back. See how you feel here. Again for another 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and rest. Very nice. Let's test out one final one, and we'll be done for. We're going to end off with our walks. So our walks this time, we're going to make it a sobriety test. The way we're going to do that is you're going to walk in 1 foot forward, 1 foot back. What we're going to do here is tap the nose as we walk. Tap the nose as we walk. Tap the nose as we walk. So let's go ahead and get started together. We're going to take about 6 steps forward, and then we'll rest. We'll go in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Think about the foot as a tripod. 4. 2 more steps, everyone. 5 and 6. Very nice. Again, does it help you to think about the foot as a tripod? Do you feel that it improves your balance? If so, if not, just a couple things to think about. And let's go ahead and end off with our couple deep breaths, and we'll be done for the day. So let's go feet hip distance apart. We're going to take our first deep breath in. Hold at the top, and exhale. 2 more deep breaths. Last one, everyone. Well, thank you so much for joining me, everyone. Hope you've enjoyed the program, and enjoy the rest of your day.